Yo, what up? It's your boy Heck to the Teck till they get that check. I'm over here chilling right in back of the cyclone. You can see the cyclone right there. I'm in Coney Island. And we trying this chicken from that Dominican spot. Equis Pico Pollo. Equis Pico Pollo. We got the chicken, we got the tostones. Tostones is on point. Back. We're gonna try the chicken. The fried chicken. Yeah, so there's helicopters flying around. Dominican chicken. On point. Ah. This is way better than Jollibee's, I'll tell you that much. Way better than Jollibee's. Word. Way better than Jollibee's. I don't care what Jollibee got to say. Way better than Jollibee's. I mean, that's a fact. I mean, gonna go back to the tostone. Fact. Look at this. Tostones. You know, you gotta add some salt to this, but I don't think. I'm on a diet, so I'm really trying to add too much salt to my stuff, you know what I mean? Right. But I can eat these things like chips, you know what I mean? Mad good. Mad good, son. Mad good, son. So yeah, like I was saying, there's a missing kid in Coney Island right now. I think he's 13 years old. He's 13 years old. He's missing. That's great. Tostone and chicken. Equis pollo. Equis pollo.
Equis Pico Pollo.
Equis Pico Pollo. Equis Pico Pollo. I better go try it. It's official. No. I'm not gonna lie. This chicken, I think it's better. It's better than KFC. I'm better than KFC. Mmm. Great chicken. You know what? I think it's on the tie. I get Popeyes and then a tie. Back. It's so good. You know what I mean? Equis, Coco. Back. With the tostones. And your mom's toto. I'm just joking. Just a little joke for y'all. A little joke. But yeah, they're looking for this cut. It's crazy. They just kidnapped a 13-year-old kid. Helicopters flying all over the place. You know what I'm saying? It's hot as fuck in Coney Island right now. You know what I mean? Word. Go try out the chicken. We hit the Brooklyn spot. They got 2 more spots. They got a spot in more freaking Bronx, and they got another spot in the city. You know what I'm saying? But I think the Brooklyn spot is the best because they got like what, six stars. They got 5 stars. Mmm. Damn. Now, I know Dominicans can cook, but I never knew they could make some banging ass fried chicken. Bang. You ever see that old Indian guy on YouTube? He passed away, but I think his grandchildren took his page over. What's it called? Grandpa, whatever. He be cooking up fried chicken. He's Indian. He be cooking fried chicken and all types of freaking food right in India from scratch. I mean, he was an old man and shit. But you think he passed away faster because all the food he fucking ate? Shit. He was cooking up some real bad freaking food for y'all. Like, it wasn't even healthy. He was like, today I cooked McDonald's. Today I cooked French fries. Today I cooked cheeseburger. Today I cooked Popeye chicken. Today I cooked whatever the fuck. And then he passed away. You see, his grandchildren took over the YouTube page, and I don't even watch it no more. You know what I mean? I liked it better when he was doing it. You know what I'm saying? Facts. I miss him. Grandpa did it better. The way he cooked it. You know what I mean? Word. Facts. Shout out to everybody watching. Go check out Equis, Pico Pollo in Brooklyn, Bronx. in the city. I remember they was handing it out at the PR parade, Dominican parade, but I didn't get a chance to catch that part. Yeah. I get this chicken a 9.5. This chicken is mad good. We went back in the cyclone, and it is what it is. Facts. These tortillas are freaking on point. We're not putting no salt on it, keeping it healthy. Word. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and share. And there's a little boy missing, 13 years old. I don't know his name. I don't got a picture, but just be aware, alright? Facts. I'm out. It's your boy Heck to the Teck till they get that check. You heard? One.